Yeah, so I just copped these Jordan Mars 270. You know, I couldn't resist. They was tight. They was on the shelf. They just caught my eye. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's up, man. They was pretty fly when I picked them up. You know what I'm saying? So I just went and grabbed them. You know what I'm saying? Jordan box. You know how that go. 23. Okay. They're clean, man. I like them. These are the top threes, though. I wasn't even aware of the two different colors on the toes until I got in there and started trying them on. I saw them online, but I didn't pay attention. But then when I got that, I was like, okay, I'll do this. Because I wanted some top threes anyway. I'll rock these. You know, man, these mugs are super comfortable. I don't care what nobody, man, it's like they coming with some serious technology now, man. Whatever's going on down through here, you know, you can see the air bubble there. And this right here with the stability, keeping your foot just locked in. I don't think this is a balling shoe. They said it's a lifestyle shoe. But it looks like a balling shoe. You know, I ain't going to go out there and try it because I don't like playing on bubbles. You know, I want my foot a little closer to the ground. Shit, be honest with you, I got some pads in here, you know, foot pads to give me some extra cushion in here. I play in these before I go out here and play in these. Because, like people have been saying, and I've seen it online, there's like, this is not a real balling shoe. It's just a lifestyle shoe. So, it's definitely going to get rocked. I got a few outfits I can rock with this, you know, and just kick it in. You know what I'm saying? Something different. I don't have a shoe that's anywhere like this. You know, I usually gravitate toward white or black with some silver in it because I'm a Raiders fan. Shout out to Raider Nation. But I'm gonna fuck with these red, white, and blues. They kind of got me a little bit. I'm gonna play with them. But yeah, the tongue is not fat and cushiony like you would think some tongues should be. See, it says Jordan back there, Jordan, and 270 on it. But man, it's just they feel so comfortable. They just lock your foot in. I mean, for you cats out there that might be shooting ball, if you try these out, please post a video on how it turned out. You know what I'm saying? I've been checking all the sites, and Wear Tester said he's not gonna play in his. He's gonna give them away. And I'm like, well, it's a dope shoe. I wouldn't really give it away. I mean, shit. But damn, you know, it's a dope shoe to me. I'm gonna fuck with it.